Hello, my name is Nick, and today I am going to show you the latest news around the Lego Mansion complex. Follow me. Today, Fisherman Sam has again been trying to catch an airbird with his plunger, or seated on the balcony of the mansion.
Come on, you airy birdies! You know you just want to be home with me! I'll feed you all your favorites!
He's a very sick man. Come with me. And again, someone thinks they can breathe underwater. He's even sicker. At least this person is normal. He's wishing that the mansion had a TV set in his mind. Follow me as we go to the next place where action is at hand. Here we have a very sick girl. She is so sick she won't even say a word to the camera. She won't even move la muscle. It's a wonder she's even breathing. Now let's look deeper into these. Let's peek through these windows. Oh look, they got a brand new treadmill. Awesome. Must have cost $2 million at least. Let's check out this window. Can't see anything here except the top of the chair. The floor. He moved the chair so we can't see out the window. Creep. So, if you can, please avoid the Lego Mansion. This complex is dangerous. Very, 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 very dangerous. I mean,
Hey! Who you calling dangerous, mister?
the weird stranger trying to catch birds with a plunger.
Don't you sicken me, deceitful one. You know me and I know you. You know that that you're deceiving your viewers.
I'm afraid we haven't met, sir.
Oh, don't give me that. You're just trying to trick these people to think we are cuckoo.
Yes, you are, you big meanie. Let's get him. And you're the one that told me I could breathe underwater, you big meanie. And you ruined my suit.
My mom sends hugs and kisses. And hi, everybody.
That, oh, she said, and you're the reason why she became a mute. Let's get him! Yeah! I gotta get out of here!
Got him.
Let's get him!